So hello friends, in the last video we had set up the Grafana dashboard with our application that was Hello app, and this was the Prometheus config. We were using only one instance, and same was visible here also. So this is going to be a quick video in which we are going to add multiple instances and multiple applications to our dashboard. So let's get started. So for creating multiple instances, what I will do is I will just create a duplicate of this configuration. Let me clone it, copy configuration, and maybe hello world, sorry, main application, second instance. And we need, since the port is same, I need to override it. So I'll go and add a VM options server.port equals to 8081. Earlier one is 8080, now it is going to be 8081. Apply it, okay, and let's boot it. So meanwhile the application is booting. So right now our scrape config, it is only using a target or hitting the target 8080. That is our main application. So we need to add another instance here in the targets so that the dashboard will pick those changes as well, the second instance also. So as of now, if you see, even our application is up, but it is still not doing because these changes are still not reflecting, and we can see here also. So let's quickly go to the Docker and restart it so that it picks the latest updated configuration where both the application instances are there. So it is up. Cool. Let's go. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, it will maybe just we need to wait a little bit more, or maybe I'll refresh it once. Okay, I let me refresh it once again. I hope this time it will pick up. Okay, so we'll see the another pod is or sorry, uh, the another instance matrices are also available, and we can see the uptime is slightly lesser. Like we just now started it, and the metrics are also visible. Okay, so maybe in like real app production applications or production, but like there will be multiple applications. So if you are having microservice architecture, this application list will be quite a huge, and same will go with the instances, or minimum 5 to 6 instances you would be able to see. So let's another application here just for our configuration purpose. So what I will do is I'll just quickly copy and paste it the same folder once again. Hello world app 2. Okay, maybe I should update the module config also with hello world 2 so that Maven recognize it is. And let's go to application, and I'll just keep the port as 9090. I hope, one second, let me check the Prometheus port, the Docker compose. Oh sorry, 9090 is already taken up. So let me take 9000 port for hello world app 2, and maybe let's add a run configuration hello app 2. Okay, so So we can just go to this application and run it. It will automatically create a main application, and it will start. Okay, so this main application or to hello app 2 is also started. Hello app 2, let me quickly rename it. Okay, so the thing is like here we needed to add a hello world app 2 because earlier application is hello world. Now it should be hello world hello app 2. So as the current configuration is only it is hitting these again targets and with this job name. So maybe since it is a different application, we'll create another job here. Let me quickly clone it, and only one instance I'm going to add this time. Everything remains same. Let me restart the Docker Compose. Okay, let's wait for a couple of seconds so that the latest changes are picked up by the application and the matrices are available. Okay, we'll need to wait a few more seconds. I'll pause the video meanwhile. Okay, so let me refresh this once more. It's already been a couple of seconds or minutes. So here we see the hello app 2 is there and only one instance. An application is up from last 1.8 minutes and the matrices are available. So thank you for watching this, and we'll stop here. We'll give it pause, and maybe in the next um, video or we'll continue with the actual debugging series, like what something interesting is on the way. Thank you.